DQ Lab. Thank you.
Santai sejanya.
And then we added a new feature just recently, which is movie night.
Boleh lah lihat movie dalam.
Oh, boleh.
Ada specific day?
Malam-malam siya. Pasal kami pakai projector kan, kalau pagi-pagi na nampak. atau pakai. Okay, mana tadi?
Pandai ibu nak.
Cara masakannya? Okay. Okay. So locationnya arah Q-Lab. Dulu kami arah hire hotel Q-Lab. Now we have to close down because pagi ko sampai sama makin lampau. Mereka tu pindah arah rumah my mother-in-law where we convert dari rumah yang lama sudah ada orang tinggal jadi tempat our bistro plus bookstore lah. So our bookstore is more to private events atau kalau orang mau dine in pun boleh je. Private events as in boleh kamu booking untuk birthday, boleh untuk bridal shower or even movie night lah. And then I manage the bookstore part. Kalau my husband who is sitting at the back from your cycle, he is our chef because he has years of working in culinary and food lah. So that's why kami have running the bookstore and the bistro. And aside from running the bookstore, I have background in MC and illustration. So I ada buat macam illustration also. Jadi logo design, poster design, sama aku penggemar membaca. Nak mulai foto.
Standard.
I know, right? Suka ko. Okay, next one. Module ni kami akan talk about pemerkasaan wanita and then wanita di digital economy sama wanita Asia di dalam ekonomi digital. Okay? Sama our objective of this